What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm doing a revisit on this. Today's video is going to be a little long, but I think we finally have a winner. So we're going to jump in. We're going to jump right into the front. Let me show you how I got this set up. So first of all, I got this little Klein pouch, and I'm not going to do every tool, but I'll show you. I got some like little star bits in there, some backup Allens, little vices. I got some like hemostats, little wrenches, screwdrivers, just all my little stuff that I don't want to go missing goes in this little Klein pouch. So that is number one. Next, got the Kaiwwets circuit finder kit. Basically like a multimeter, comes with alligator clips, you know, finding the circuit on lights. Really nice little kit. By the way, all of this is going to be linked in the description to make it easy for you guys to find. If you click on these, it does help the channel, helps me earn a small commission. Got the Klein multimeter. I keep a few shims, some plastic shims just right in here, and I keep these kind of empty. If I'm on a job, I can throw stuff in there though. I keep my my wires there for the meter, and then just some different pencils, that kind of thing in the front. And that's everything that goes in this front pouch right here. I do keep a couple different bits on these little bit keepers. They're kind of cheap keepers, so I don't put too many bits on there, but just a few that I use regularly or ones that I'm going to use for that specific job. On the sides, I keep some gloves right here, and I just picked these up. These are just some Milwaukee eye protection. Also on the side, I got a little tape. And now for the money maker. Oh, and a couple rolls of electrical tape right there. So I'm gonna just start laying all this stuff out. I now keep this pouch in there. I'll probably do a separate video, but these are like all of my most used tools. So drivers, diagonals, voltage testers. I got a stud buddy, some wrenches in here. Some nut drivers, wire strippers, all kinds of stuff. I got them all. So this is all my most used tools. Got a little 90 right there. So like I said, everything will be in the description if you want to see what I use. I do also keep a couple of these little bit holders as well, and just a tiny little bit of electrical tape in case I'm on a ladder or something. Moving along, got a couple wrenches in the back. Got the plier wrench for Milwaukee, and another one by Gear Wrench. This one's got like the actual jaws, where this one's better for not marring up your finishes. Got a little putty knife. Got this breakaway blade. I like this for when I'm pulling out old caulk. Beater driver, good for knockouts on junction boxes. Also, that big flathead is good for toilet bolts. Got a little pry bar, some needle nose as a backup. Also, this is my EDC bag. So this goes into just about every job. I'd say 99% of jobs this is going in. I used to do the rolling cart. The problem I was noticing is a lot of these jobs were upstairs, and just having to get that for like a small job, it started to become too much. So now I'm just using the bag. I do also keep this Klein one that's in addition to the Kaiwwets kit, because this one I just keep right in the open if I'm just testing something real quick. But the other one will give me voltage, and it's a non-contact. So does a little bit more than just this one. Got some scissors. These are good for like even small sheet metal too. got these wire strippers from Milwaukee. I really only use these for small gauge. So really fine gauge, like 16 to 20. I'll use those. Got a backup pair of these Milwaukees. Got a bunch of Milwaukee wire strippers. And then what else? Inside here, I got a little magnetizer, demagnetizer. I got some of these impact rated Allens, basically. These are great for furniture assembly. Garbage disposal wrench. I got this extractor set. This thing has already saved me a couple times if I can get this thing opened up.
Jackass.
Some little extractors. These have saved me already. So really happy with those. What else? What else? Tiny little magic eraser. Notepad in case I need to take some measurements. And then this digital level / distance measurement tool. Thing's amazing. It's good for square footage. This one's made by Sigmund. Really happy with that. Love this thing, especially for like baseboards or measuring walls for paint, that kind of thing. So that is it. It's a lot. This is my EDC bag. Done a lot of updates. So like I said, I got rid of the rolling pack out. I still use that if I need to bring in like a ton of stuff, at least to the ground floor. But this is what I've been using and it's working a heck of a lot better. I will say this. I do have my eyes on a Vito bag. This bag tends to fall over and I don't like that. But I'm also not quite ready to spend 300 bucks on a bag when this one works and it stacks onto my Packout. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. And if you liked today's video, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.